folks, welcome back to the channel. On today's vlog, we're taking out our Super73 RX. I have on me the 72 volts. Crystal's right behind me with a 60 volts. She has the red RX. I have the gray RX. Both fairly newly built, not even like a month old put together. And we're at Baldwin Park area, starting our leisure ride. We're looking to do maybe around 20 miles. We're just, out for a ride on this Friday afternoon. Just passing time. Watch out for nails, okay? That's the first time I've seen that closed. Oh, that's open. Might just have to cross this busy street. So strange. I'll let her lead. She likes to lead a few times. No matter how many times I ask her to follow, for whatever reason she ends up in the front. So I'll have her, which tells me that she likes to be ahead. She's not a follower, in other words. So her bike is about 37 to 40 miles per hour, and this one is about 40 to 43 miles per hour. Because again, this is a 72 volt build, hers is a 60 volt build. It's actually her first time on that bike. She says it's a little tall for her, she's only 5'1". But we love the Super73 RX frame, and we love it even more now that we've modified it. Obviously, we can hang with the street traffic and be street legal because we have pedals. Even though they're not operating as a PAS, they're still operating as, regular pedals. Alright, we're heading north to Santa Fe Dam. Heading to our favorite spot, Santa Fe Dam. Favorite local spot, that is. How do you like the thumb throttle? You like the twist more? She actually said the thumb throttle is tiring. She probably will like this twist shift more. Everyone has a different taste. I don't mind trading with her, but this bike is just very twitchy. The 72 volt version, so I kind of want to ease her into it. I'll ask her if she wants to trade. We can trade over there. You might be more comfortable with a twist shift. Okay? But I just want to warn you, this is a torquier. Yeah, that's why. That's why we'll trade. Your thumb, this is a twist shift. It's different. Okay. Alright, she doesn't want to trade. She's not in a good mood today. We're probably just gonna make our way up there, drink our boba, have a rest stop, and a break, and see my wife's mood after that. I put a lot of hours and effort into making these bikes, but she doesn't feel safe on it. I don't know why. It's too fast, too torquey for her. I'm not sure. She's very quiet right now.
A few moments later.
We've just been chilling here, kind of watching the sun go down a little bit. So Crystal tried this bike, and it's definitely way too torquey for her. So she's gonna stick with the that one, the red RX 60 volts. My huskies would never just follow me off leash. It's a mixed husky. Mixed. Yeah. Like pure breed huskies are like not as loyal like that. Yes, I am certain. I'm tempted to get one of those mini electric dirt bikes, but I always tell myself that one of my main rule is to definitely have pedals, because that makes it street legal for me. And that's actually why I sold the Surron that I had. It doesn't have pedals, and it doesn't really work with pedals, even if it's a Kanewawa ones. My main thing is my e-bikes have to have pedals. I was looking at the sunset. It's hard to find that the cruising speed on these builds. Because it's built to be fast. Can we do a throttle test? We'll do it here. Stop. While no one's around. Until I beat you. I know I'm gonna beat you. Just be ready. You call it. You call it and go. She didn't say go. Alright. Yeah, I gotcha. See ya. She just said 3, 2, 1, and I was waiting for her to say go. She never did. She just took off. That was funny. I had a feeling. I had a feeling she wasn't gonna say go. Well, that was expected. I knew you weren't gonna say go. You said 3, 2, 1, and I was waiting for you to say go, but you just went off. I was like, all right. But I also knew that this is a faster bike, so I was gonna catch you regardless. So Santa Fe Dam has a camp night on the 28th of July, which happens to be my birthday, and I'm thinking of doing it. I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. I'm definitely thinking of camping somewhere. But here it's only like one night. You know, I feel like you're setting up a tent and then you have to just pack out the next day. I kind of don't like that idea. Hoping in the future they could do 2 nights to make it more worth the camp setup. But if it's only one night, I kind of don't want to do it. And they only have like activities, as far as activities go, just fishing, I guess, campfire, fishing. I'm thinking of Benelli Park actually, which has a little more activities, and at least they have mountain bike trails. So I'm gonna inquire more at camping in Benelli Park. This is only single gear, but her bike has 10 speeds. Is it comfortable pedaling? Or not really? So currently, that bike actually has a 60 volt, 25 amp battery in the frame bag, but it also has a 48 volt and a 24 amp battery in the top tube. 24 and 25, that's almost 50 amp. That's a 49 amp total. That setup currently. This bike I have here is only a 72 volt 25 amp, so I might be faster, but I won't beat her on range. I won't beat that build on range for sure. Alright, time to go home. Time for a little bit of street riding, a little bit fast. Ooh. Just in time, they were about to close the gate, maybe. Green light. Oh, pothole. We might have to overtake this truck at some point. We might need to be in the left lane. Let's roll. Come on, Nissan. Almost home. There's our closest in and out to our house. So we're almost there. That's going to be in today's vlog, folks. Finally got to take both of our custom built Super 73s out together. Stay tuned for more content. Check out the useful links in the description below for discounts on the Super 73, an aerial rider, or a DIY bafang kit. This is Julian and Crystal signing out. See you guys in the next ride. Peace.